Hi, my name is Nurliana Akila binti Kamarudin. My metric number is 15 DRM 19F1020. So I will explain the article about rules in Japan for returning purchased goods. So in this article, we can see the rules in Japan for returning purchase are much stricter. In the case of purchase item in Japan, most stores will not accept return item for arbitrary reason. The standard practice in Japan is that once you buy something and have used it in any way, it is not possible to return it for a refund or exchange. In foreign countries other than Japan, it often seems that there is a tendency for many shops to return, refund or exchange the item that has been purchased for whatever reason. If a date is specified within which time return are possible, then there are cases where even if the product has been used or soiled, it can be returned. Compared in Japan, in most cases, as long as there are no defects in the product, it is not possible to arbitrarily return product. For points number 2, things to be careful of what making a return. If you have a good reason, rest assured that in most cases store will accept return. You will need to the receipt for the purchase of the item being returned. As there are many cases when a time period within which it is possible to make a return are clearly indicated, you are advised to carefully note that, especially in the case of purchasing expensive item, and should know if any condition apply to return. Then you should at the time of purchase ask the store clerk of classification and explanation of that store return policy. Okay, third is return of food item. The following should be kept in mind regarding the return of food item. First, in most cases, unopened food container can be returned. Second, if the expiration on the item has passed, then it is not possible to return it. And last, in the case of open package, if there was a problem with the food product, then it may be possible to return it. For example, mold or foreign object was in it. Okay, fourth is return of clothing item. The following should be kept in mind regarding to return of clothing item. Those are many cases where the customer mistakenly purchased the wrong size. Second, the sale tag at the time of purchase must be on the item being returned. Third, the product had a defect, for example missing button at the time purchase. Lastly is most shop will allow the product to be exchanged for the same product in different size. It goes without saying if the purchase had a defect, then it will be exchanged for another one.
My name is Renu Anak Perempuan Somchat. My metric number 15 DRM 19F1044. Return for footwear. Basically, return for footwear is same like the clothes. For example, in this case, wrong size, most shops seem to have policies regarding actions on returns because the shoes are tried on the store before and checks before being purchased. So in this case, if the shoe has been worn outside after purchase, in most cases return are not possible. So the customer need to be sure to try on shoes and check the comforts in the store before you buy the shoes. Return for electricity products. So it should keep on mind when returning electrical product. First, in the most case, if the product has been used, it cannot be returned. Second, in some case, if the product defective from the start, it can either be returned or repaired. Third, television set and monitor is had built-in pixels area cannot be returned. So with these exceptions of product, they were deemed defective from the start. Once an electric item has been used, is to say the power has been turned in, is one case return are not possible. Cooling for period Japan. There is also cooling of period Japan that allow for a contract that be nullified with a certain time period of a purchase has been made. So for example, first, door-to-door sales, out-of-store transactions, cash sales when you are approached suddenly on the street to purchase or sign some things, appointment sale when you are invited to somewhere and the actual purpose of the sales is not disclosed, telephone solicitation sales, and if a request is made by 8 days of the contract or purchase, the cooling off period applies. Returning good is not given. According to Japanese civil code, stores have no obligation, nor is there a legal basis requiring them to accept product or exchange stamps once they have been sold. So please keep in mind that in Japan, return or exchanging product once they have been purchased is not something that is automatically can do.